Here I have a REALME phone, and let me show you how to clean speaker on the following phone. Let's begin. So, if you are a REALME user and you have one of the newer REALME smartphones, you will have the feature that can save your life. So, if your phone was in some dust or some water came to your phone, you can save your speaker. All you need to do is open the list of apps, choose here settings. From the list of settings, choose special features right here. Then choose here speaker cleaner, this green icon. And now tap start to play sound that vibrates the speaker to clean out dust and water. For best results, keep the speaker hole facing downward and increase the volume. Note that the sound may be loud. So let's tap start. Let's make it louder. You can keep your phone that way. And that's it, you just perform the operation. So if there was any dust or water, it should come out from the phone and your phone should be rescued. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.